Ever clicked on this drop down and wondered what GPT 4.0, oh 03, oh 04 mini, oh 04 mini high, or any others actually mean? Let's give you a simple breakdown. Since I'm on the paid version, 3.5 doesn't actually show. GPT 3.5 is the free version that's available to anyone who has a ChatGPT account that is not paid. It is free and fast and decent for basic stuff like brainstorming, short emails, and casual chats. It's not as smart or as accurate as the newer ones. Think of it like a helpful intern. But if you're on the paid plan, you'll see 4.0, 4 mini, and mini high. 4 is smarter and better at reasoning and writing. Great for business owners, and it remembers context better. It sounds more natural and helps you write emails, scripts, blog posts, and troubleshoot like a pro. 4.0 is the newest model, and the O stands for Omni. It's even faster than 4, more accurate, and better with audio, images, and conversations. If you're using the Pro plan, make sure you switch to GPT 4.0. It's your best option right now. So you can try these out. You can find this setting on your desktop as well. At the top of your screen, there is ChatGPT 4.0 and a drop-down caret for you to switch models if you would like to try the newest models out there and see what works best for your business. 03 is the code name for an earlier version of GPT-4. It's great for advanced reasoning tasks, but 4.0 is generally faster and more capable overall. 04 mini, this is a lighter version. It's built to be faster while still giving great results. Think of it as a speed-focused assistant, perfect for short or repeated tasks. 04 mini high. This one is awesome if you're doing coding or working with images. It has better visual reasoning and is optimized for technical tasks. So to recap what we just talked about, use GPT 4.0 for most things if you are on the Pro plan. Try 04 mini or mini high for speed or tech work. Use 03 for deeper logical tasks if needed. And if you're on the Pro plan, as I said before, you may not see GPT 3.5. As you see in my menu, I do not have access to that. But if you are on the free plan, you may not have access to all the ones that we just talked about. Try each model and see what works best for you. Comment below if you want a cheat sheet, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick AI tips. Hope you've enjoyed this Tech Thursday AI conversation, and I look forward to speaking to you again real soon.